So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. Today's video is gonna be very special video because guys today in this video I'm gonna share a very important lesson with everyone, and this lesson is very important for our life too. Sometimes we people think that I don't have any opportunities. God always gives other people a lots of opportunities, but today I'm gonna prove this wrong with a very beautiful story. That story's name is the mithu and the yellow mango. So what happened in this story, what is the main lesson and moral of the story, everything I will share with you. Keep watching this video till the end. I am pretty sure that you will learn lots of things. Once upon a time there was a parrot. The parrot was very beautiful. The parrot name was the mithu. So Mithu loved to fly. Always he would fly. One day when Mithu was flying, he saw a very beautiful yellow mango on a tree. Mithu liked mangoes. For that reason, he flew to the tree for to eat the yellow mango. But when he went near the tree, he heard a voice, a very hoarse voice. Kaka, go away, this is my tree. You can't come here. Then Mithu saw, and he saw a very big black crow. Mithu was afraid of the crow. He went away. And then after few minutes, Mithu saw a very beautiful big red balloon. And then after seeing that, he had an idea. He picked up the big red balloon with his beak. He was very careful not to burst it, and then he took it and he went behind the tree, means behind the crow. And after going there, Mithu carefully picked up the balloon, and then when the balloon burst, it made a very loud noise. And for the loud noise, the crow was very frightened and he fell down from the tree. And after the crow observed, and he thought that there was a big gun after him. For that reason, the crow went away and he flew away. After this, Mithu sat down on the tree and he ate the yellow mango. He said very yummy, very delicious, and this was the story of the clever Mithu. You see, this story is very beautiful and also a very teachable story. From this story, we people can learn one thing, and that thing is opportunities is always around us. Only our responsibility and our job is to find all of them and to use them properly. So always remember this: whenever you will do a work, after rejections, after failure, we people do a mistake that we give up. But we don't observe, we don't use our sixth sense, we don't use our mind. Hard work is important, but with hard work, your smart work is also very important. You have to just use a little bit smartness, you have to use your ideas and your thinking, and after that you will see the work that you are gonna do and you will do. It will be very beautiful and so beneficial and very benefited too. Like me too, be a little bit clever. Okay, whenever you are not able to do any work at that time, don't leave that work totally. Just do and try to do that work in a different way. When you will see that you are trying the same thing repeatedly again and again but can't achieving any kinds of results, then don't leave the work, just leave the way to do the work. Just invent and make another way to do the work, and you will see that the work and also everything will be very beautiful. So these things I want to just share. First, Mithu also tried to eat the mango directly, but he couldn't because for the crow. And then when he could not, he did not leave the mango. His aim, his goal, his ambition was the mango. For that reason, he just observed a little bit the area, the environment, and he saw a very big red balloon. And he picked up the balloon and he used the balloon, means he used his opportunity. God gives everyone equal opportunities, but now it's your responsibility to use that opportunity and also to just make the opportunity good for you. So this thing I want to share with everyone. Bye bye to a great mind. Nothing is little. I will meet you in another next video. You also can see this environment, this background is very nice. So always remember, whenever you are not seeing any kinds of way to do the work, then just observe a little bit, and I am sure that you will find the opportunity. And whenever you will find the opportunity, use that opportunity. Don't miss it. Just use your cleverity, and it will be very great. And remember, opportunities are always around you and they are surrounded you. So bye bye.